Love, are we good?
Yeah.
All right, so nobody's ever told me, although I've asked lots of questions over the years, nobody ever told me how to do a surf Scoter build, so this is the way I've come up with it. This is the best tool I've found. It's not very blue anymore, is it? No. But that is what I use day in, day out on a surf Scoter, where I'm gonna take something that looks like this starting out, and we are gonna turn it into one of these kind of things right here, so. And of course I always use, I call it a bull nose, I don't know. Round nose, bull nose, whatever it is. But after really looking at this thing, I think I might have to invest in a new one. It still works though.
Okay.
All right, so moving along on these surfs, using that drill bit right there. And
What size?
10 millimeter. You could use a 9, I guess. I like big eyes. There we go. All right, I appreciate you, Karen, doing what you do for me. And that didn't sound
That
weird.
don't make me laugh.
I'm sorry. Karen's had a procedure. She's not feeling well. I appreciate you, Karen. I appreciate you following along with us. Thank you very much.